Hey, what is up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be solving your no Python interpreter configured for this project error. So if you want to fix your error, you need to watch this video entirely. Seriously guys, give me a chance and I'll fix your error. When I was facing this error, I wish somebody could make a video about why this error occurs and how to solve it. And seriously, I'm making this video just because of this one reason. So it's been a lot of time that I've been uploading videos on YouTube. So thank you so much guys for all the love and support you're giving. Consider subscribing this channel if you are able to solve this error using this video. Please guys, if your error is solved, please guys, if your error is solved using this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section that this video solved your error. So I'm not going to waste your time and I'm going to open my pycharm. So my pycharm is opening. I'm just waiting for my pycharm to open. Guys, I have an SSD installed on the computer and I don't know why it takes so much of time for pycharm to pop up, but yeah, it's pretty fast on this desktop. So yeah, you guys are lucky. So let me discuss first that why this error occurs, because once you know why this error occurs, then it will be very easy for you to solve it later. So I'm canceling it at the first place. That this project was loading, so I just cancel it. I'll create a new project and I'll show you why this error occurs. So let us say I'm creating an untitled1 project. So guys, when you install pycharm, your project interpreter is gonna be new virtual environment, and you don't want that. You seriously don't want that. If you're a beginner, you should, if you create your new existing interpreter, then you're good. But when you create new environment using virtual env, because you don't know how to proceed, you don't click here, you simply click create. It's going to create a new virtual environment. And what is a virtual environment? Let me describe in some other video. Let me save that for some other video. Let me tell you, virtual environment creates a copy of your Python interpreter, and whenever you install package to your virtual environment, it stays there in your virtual environment. So it doesn't has access to your site packages. So whatever you install using pip install, your virtual environment doesn't get it. So yeah, there is one way to access site packages using virtual environment, but I'm not going to discuss that in this video. I'm going to show you how to solve no Python interpreter configured for this project. I'm going to create the error right here and I'm going to show you how I'm fixing this error and why the problem gets solved. So just stay in the video. You guys might think that I'm just wasting your time, but no guys, I'm just trying to explain you why this error occurs. Fast forward to virtual environment creation. I'm inside my project directory and let us see what all is there inside my directory. I have a VN folder. So this is the folder where my Python interpreter is installing. So if I pip install anything using PowerShell or command prompt, it's not going to, I'll not be able to use it anywhere here. So if I create a new main.py file and I import something, I'll not be able to import that because it's not installed in my virtual environment. So let us not deep dive into what virtual environment is. I'm just gonna delete this VN folder. Now you will not delete your VNV folder. I know that you might be thinking, Harry, why will I delete my VENV folder? Let me tell you, your antivirus might delete it, some other program might delete it, some program that's performing a cleanup on your computer might delete it. Let me delete it. Don't ask me why will you delete it. Let us say I deleted it and I'm not able to delete it. So let me do one thing. I'm gonna be exiting it and let me cancel it first, and I'll be going to this directory, pycharm projects untitled1, and just delete the file. See, I'm not able to delete the file because my pycharm is still using the file. But what if I close my pycharm and delete the file? I'll be able to do that. I'll show you how. So I'm exiting my pycharm, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this VENV folder. It's gone. Let me open pycharm again and let me show you how this no Python interpreter installed configured for your project error occurs. So just wait for it to pop up and see the error is here. No Python interpreter. Come on, come up baby, come up. There's no VN folder. There's no VN folder. I just deleted the VN folder, and now there will be an error if I create a new Python file. So if I right click here and create a new Python file, let it index first. It's indexing. Alright, so indexing complete. Right click, new Python file, and I'm gonna create a main.py file. Let me zoom in a bit and let me show you the error. So if I write import flask and if I try to run this, see, the error pops up, invalid Python interpreter selected for the project. Oh my god, configure Python interpreter. If I click this, see, it says invalid Python 3.6. so if I select this Python 3.6 and if I click apply and I click OK, then the error is gone. As you can see, now I am able to run it. So it will take some time to index. It will run these three processes. Something will do, just give it the time, and once the indexing is done, you can then run this any file, not this, any Python file from here. So now you guys might ask that I'm still getting this error. My error is still not solved. I clicked on configure Python interpreter and I did not find a valid interpreter. I'm gonna solve that issue too, but let it complete. And it's done. Now you can right click and you can run main, and let me show you, it's fixed. Congratulations guys, you have fixed this error. So whenever you create a virtual environment and you delete the virtual environment, your project doesn't know where your Python interpreter is. So what pycharm is essentially doing is it's just finding where your Python is. You must have installed Python before using pycharm. If you haven't, just go quickly install Python from python.org. It's the step one that you need to do. So if you haven't installed Python, then what are you even doing with pycharm? You should go first and install your Python. So once you have Python installed, then you can go to file, then you can go to settings, then project interpreter, and then you can select the Python interpreter. Let us say you're not getting any option here. There might be a possibility that you're not getting any option here. Just click this gear icon, just click add, and just show it the path wherever your system interpreter is. So you need to click system interpreter and you will find a system interpreter using browse. You can just show it the path of your system interpreter. Firstly, if you're not getting any option here, that means your Python installation is broken. Uninstall your Python, delete all the folders wherever your Python is installed, and reinstall it freshly. Believe me guys, your error will be solved. This is not a big thing. This is like step 0 of learning Python. You are just a noob, and maybe if not, don't feel bad of it. If you are a professional Python developer, there might be a possibility that you don't use pycharm, and this might be a reason that you're facing this error. Let me know if your error is still not solved. There is only 0.00001% of the chance that your error is not solved, and that might be because your Python is not installed or you have not restarted your pycharm. Just try restarting your pycharm. Believe me guys, it's that easy, seriously. So I just need my like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe this channel because I'm gonna create a lot of Python videos here. And if you really want to learn Python, or you want to get access to resources, and let me tell you, they're gonna be absolutely free. So if you want to get access to absolutely free resources and all the videos, just make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Peace out guys, thank you so much, God bless you, all the best for your Python learning, and I will see you next time in another video. Just don't forget the deal, you have to press that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much guys.